afternoon, members of the high table, and good afternoon, my colleagues. My name is Bakary Gibba. It has been a pleasure being part of this very important training of my career. It has been an added advantage to my little skills of computer, because I'm like maybe baby BBC, but actually I'm catching up with the help of our able provider of the services, Mr. Fofana, and his assistant, who have been very helpful to us, and some of my colleagues whom I will always consult if I am stuck in one way or the other. Actually, this, I believe, should be a continuous process so long as our job is concerned. To also filter to some of my colleagues at the custom. I know it's basically the tax officers who are actually very concerned about these things. But one way or the other, we also have some other functions that we normally do with the Excel. So I will also urge you people to also give another stretch hand to some of my colleagues who are not opportune to be part of it. I thank you very much for providing these things. Thank you.